Welcome to Activity 3. This video is a little different to most BONGBLOCKS videos. This is me with my son Josh. He wanted to make this video. I wanted to include it to show how much joy can be brought by making simple adjustments, such as including his beloved shark Bitey. I hope you find it as encouraging as I do. In this activity, we are going to be developing fluency counting backwards in the correct order from 10 to 1. We will also be developing the concept that each number in the counting sequence is one less than the number before it. To complete the first activity, you need one of each block from 1 to 10 arranged in a jumbled pile within reach of both players. Me here today have Josh.
Hi.
And he's brought a special friend.
So, meet Bitey. Hi. Don't worry, Bitey's a vegetarian, so he doesn't eat meat. He likes fruits and veggies. So, the kids say hello to Bitey, and Bitey's saying hello to you. Okay, now Bitey, he will watch with us.
So we're going to take turns, starting at 10, building the steps. 10. What's the number that's one less?
9.
Can you put it on for me? 8.
7.
6.
5.
4.
3.
2.
1.
Now we're going to take turns counting and touching the numbers. 10.
9.
8.
7.
6.
5.
4.
3.
2.
1.
Well done. In the second activity, we're going to count backwards with a missing number. So I'm going to put my spinner on. Joshua, close your eyes.
But first, this is Bitey's voice. So, if you hear this voice, it's me, Bitey. So you know it's me.
And if you hear this voice?
If you hear me, it's me, Josh.
Okay. So we're going to count backwards with a missing number. So Joshua, you close your eyes, and Bitey's. I'm going to spin the spinner and remove that block. Open your eyes. Now can you count backwards, touching as you go?
10. 9. 8. 7. Where's 6? There he is.
Keep going.
5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Well done. We had just finished filming the counting forwards video before making this counting backwards video. You might notice his difficulty transitioning to counting back. This is typical of children with executive functioning difficulties. For the third activity, we're going to count backwards from any number. Josh, close your eyes. I'll spin the spinner, and I'm going to split the steps where the spinner landed. I'm going to hide the blocks that come before. Josh, open your eyes. Can you count backwards but start at 6?
Okay. 6. 7.
We're going to count backwards to 1.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Let's try again.
6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Well done.